a government supporting job. The biggest advantage is a job. You don't have to worry about beginning remove even during the lockdown when many private employees lost their job. Government employees receive their salary. This stability gives peace of mind.
Utkarsh, what is the job security if your income is low? In private companies, the salary is much higher and you also get bonus and incentives. People in government job often complain about slow increments.
Salary is a temporary, but security and respect are permanent. A government employees know that at the end of every month, his salary will be deposited. Along with that, there is the pension after retirement, which ensures financial safety even in old age.
Disagree with Utkarsh. Government jobs are not always good as people think. The first problem is tough competition. Students spend 4-5 years preparing for one exam. Only a few get selected and the rest waste valuable time. Instead, if they start a business or join a private job, they can achieve success much earlier.
Sushant is right, and even if someone gets a government job, the growth is very slow. You might remain in the same post for 15-20 years, whereas in private companies, hard-working employees get promotion within 2-3 years.
Don't forget, the promotion may be slow, but the work-life balance in a government job is a much better. Fixed working hours, more holidays, less pressure allow you to spend quality time with your family. Also, let's not forget that the respect comes in government job in your society. When someone says, I am a teacher, a police officer, or a collector, people immediately admit that the kind of respect is difficult to achieve in private job, no matter how much salary you earn.
It is important, I agree, but let us look at the real situation in government offices. Files move slowly, there is too much paperwork and sometimes even corruption. People wait months just to get small approvals. In private job, work is faster, technology driven and result oriented.
And another thing, many young people today don't want to wait years for promotion or pension. They want to growth and innovation. Private jobs allow them to move internationally, change companies, or even start their ventures. That flexibility is missing in government jobs.
Varna, not everyone wants a risky career. For many families, it is a symbol of stability. Parents feel proud when their children become a government officer. That social recognition is a privilege.
You said government jobs give stability, but do you know how many young graduates prepare for 6-7 years spending money on coaching classes but still fail? Is not that's a waste of youth.
Agree, Susan, the exam are true, but anything valuable requires efforts. Once you succeed, your life is set. Unlike private job, where you always have to fear of losing your position.
So in private jobs, even if you lost one pension, you can find another quickly because of your skill. In fact, many private employees are so much in tenure that they don't even worry about pension later.
It is not everyone wants to take that risk. Government job may be not make you rich, but a graduate and steady income and peaceful retirement, that's something private job cannot be unsure. This is all about our discussion. Now you tell me, government job is a better or private job?